ang dami kasing list of actresses in the Philippines eh.
Yeah.
Why of all, Kim?
Actually, when I was new in ABS, I always wanted to work with Kim, but I wasn't given the opportunity until now. Yeah, I always was excited, but during that time, I think parang hindi pa siya maiwalay sa on-screen love team niya that time. But I was happy sa route naman na napuntahan ko. I learned so much.
So napapanood mo na siya noon, nakikita mo na talaga, no?
Makasama sa
Maka-work.
project, maka-work.
Maka-work sa mga babae, syempre si Kim Chu.
That's,
Ano to, dream ladies. Actually si Kim, dito ka nakakatrabaho. Ay, hindi pa nakakatrabaho. Never pa. Dito kami first nakatrabaho.
Diretsahang inamin ng bagong kapamilya si Paulo Avelino na si Kim Chu ang kanilang dream leading lady.
Balita na yan. Ipa-partner kayo kay Kim Chu. Hindi ko sure kung totoo yun, pero ako, I'll be more than happy kung may partner sa akin si Kim Chu.
Nung kakalipat ko ng ABS, tagal na. Pero parang na-mention ko na gusto kong makatrabaho si Kim. Dito na, after ilang years ba? 10, 12, or 15 years. Nagkatotoo na.
We will have this melody in our heads if we fall in love. Anywhere with you would be a better place. You can watch sad movies in a different light, 'cause I will be right there beside you, hugging you so tight. Your hands will never feel so cold and empty again, 'cause I will keep on holding on.